afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures. It is your daily midday market minute. We got the AI melt up still going, but before I get to it, if you're watching this on YouTube, please click the link below and subscribe. Like and subscribe. If you're watching from our website, there's also a link below to direct to YouTube, but you can subscribe that way. We'd love you to follow us. We'd love you to help us build our following. Yeah, what a run Thursday and Friday, and carrying into the holiday session. We got to a high of 14,570 before retreating in the NASDAQ. NASDAQ hit rare major four-star support today, right on the nose, 14,330 area. We're seeing a little bit of a bounce up, but as the NASDAQ has coughed up a good amount of their gains, we're seeing the S&P waffle around negative territory. The Dow as well as the Russell 2000 are both in the red for much of the session. There's some decent support right above 4,200, the round number, but 4210, 4212, that's the level we're watching on a closing basis. We want to see that level hold into a closing basis. And then really when we opened up the intraday session, 4231 is pretty significant, and we didn't spend much time above there. That's something to be concerned about. But again, this has been a big move, and now we're digesting the gains, consolidating, and that's healthy. Can that build up for another move? Now, we have a lot of data this week, and we have debt ceiling negotiations before a vote. The easy part may have getting a deal. Now it's voting for a deal, maybe the tough part. So that's going to be in the news. We're going to continue to hear Fed speak. And we have a live meeting now on June 14th for the Federal Reserve, and it's about a 50-50 probability. It's actually a bit higher of a probability that they hike 25 basis points again. It's really going to rely on the data. Non-farm payroll on Friday, ISM manufacturing on Thursday. But before all that, we do have Chinese manufacturing tonight. That's going to be a crucial one. They're expecting 51.4, and it's due at 8:30 p.m. Central Time. Crude oil is getting hammered here today. It's down a little more than $3, but it's holding the 69 area, 69.31, 69.39. That's our next level, our next shelf. It's holding that on a closing basis, settling right now. But remember, previous support is now resistance in 70.50 to $71. It's going to be a crucial area. We need to close back above there. In fact, we really need to get back above there and close on a weekly basis. So a lot of the week left here. EIA inventories are pushed out to Thursday. Keep all that in mind. But Chinese manufacturing tonight is going to be crucial for crude oil as well as the metals. That Chinese yuan has just melted away against the U.S. dollar. U.S. dollar is strengthening against that. Remember, that's a tradable futures contract. CNH is the symbol, and that is the actual USD CNH. So when that trades higher, it's the U.S. dollar strengthening, and that's coming off the highs here, almost to 7.1 on the day. It's going to be really matter here what this data is tonight. The copper is seeing a little bit of pressure, but coming off of last week's bloodbath. Gold is trading higher, but silver's lagging. So it's all going to be on this data tonight. What does the U.S. dollar do? However, gold trading up against resistance. The new August contract hit 1781.9 as the high. The bond market, 30-year bonds, they're up 1 point in 20 ticks. That move is a huge move in bonds. That's been a tailwind to gold all day. The bonds trading higher after this debt ceiling, at least deal in place right now. That's been a tailwind to gold, but then silver is being dragged by the industrial complex with copper and whatnot. So it's going to be an interesting one here for the next 24 hours as we move into some more of the data, and then we finish off the week with the big data, ISM manufacturing and non-farm payrolls. But our team is here to help. Don't hesitate to reach out as this week unfolds. 312-278-0500. Remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss. It's not suitable for all investors.